What's up, guys? It's another video, and we got PTVs again. And Bella got this pearl diver.
This
with
one,
the sand.
This one comes with this, and I just have this because it couldn't fit it also.
And I am starting with mooncake. It's a cloud dough textured slime. And this is the charm. It's really cute. It's a bear holding a moon, and it's an astronaut. And then this is the slime. It's not that good for bubble pops or bubbles because it's a cloud dough. And it's mostly great for drizzles. Makes me want to drizzle, right? Okay. And now it's Bella's turn.
Okay, so I got this slime pearl diver. It's a clear and sand slime. So we're just gonna open them all. So here's this one. It's a little bit sticky, so like you have to be kind of like a pro at it. And then it's like a sandy texture too. And it comes with like pearls and seaweed and a seashell. And it's like a nice texture. It's glossy, clear, and it makes good bubble pops. So I do recommend this one for pros though. It smells good. It smells a little bit like the ocean a little bit. But it's a nice slime. So back with me and Allie.
Okay, I rate mine a 10 out of 10 because I recommend this for like beginners because it's not sticky at all and it's very fluffy and it feels like spider web when you stretch it up. Doesn't that look like spider web? It does, yeah.
And I rate mine a 10 out of 10 too because it's like a nice glossy slime, though I recommend it for more of pros because it gets sticky because it's like clear slime and stuff. But I do like this slime a lot. So. Okay, well, other than that, here's some stuff that we got for free from PTVs. We got a bracelet that says the Slime Club. And then we got this little mochi. It's like a little bear.
Mochi!
And then 2 stickers, a PCB.
2 stickers.
And then an activator. I'm going to space them in mine because it's so sticky. That's all. Stop it.
You think you're going to place your Bella, did you pick your finger?
No.
Tell me, did you?
No. Okay, well, that's all for today. Bye.